So we've got a little 6120M that we just got done doing a service on. And I want to show you guys how to change the actual service interval light that pops up on the dash here. So you can see the blue lights come on. And we've got the code VTV 916.14. And if we go ahead and hit the accept button, now we're going to hit the menu button here, and we're going to go over to setup performance monitor. So we're going to go down here. It tells you the last time it was been serviced, and here's the actual service interval. To actually change how often it comes on, you'll push the edit button here, and you can actually change, you can actually change it. See, I highlighted up there, you can change it there with up and down buttons, and then you'll hit the save button. In order to actually change the how long it's been, hold the up and down button both at the same time, and then it clears to 0. So pretty simple to get that question quite a bit. Guys that aren't real familiar with this display is in the 6000M series, from about, I think, 2012 until probably 2022, I think, or 2020, I think. Just figured I'd show you guys this.